In this video, I will demonstrate how to integrate the email feature in GPT Connect. Go to Settings, Channels, select Email and click Connect. Here, you need to fill in the type of email provider you are using and some login information. If you are using Google Mail, you need to use your Google App password instead of your email password. To find your Google App password, go to your Google account. Navigate to Security. Make sure that your two-step verification is turned on. Once activated, click on Two-Step Verification. Scroll down to App Passwords. Select Mail under App Choices. Then select the device in which the app password will be used. Click Generate. Copy your app password and use it to complete this step. Email integration for GPT Connect is now complete. Let's test the integration by putting it in a flow. First, let's gather the data email from the user. To know more about gathering user data, a separate tutorial is in the video description box below. Next, we add a message block asking the user if they will allow us to send email notifications. If the user answers yes, we will add the action Email Opt-in. If the user answers no, we will execute the action Email Opt-out. Click on the plus button and select Send Email. Here, you need to modify the information inside the box that will suit your intention. You can either add or remove certain sections of your email, depending on its purpose. Just to acknowledge that the email was sent, we will add a final message block. Once done, click Publish. Time to test the flow. First step is to ask for the user's email. Then, we will confirm if they will allow email notifications from us. Once confirmed, an email will be sent directly to the user. There you go! I've just demonstrated how to use the email integration in GPT Connect. For assistance and customer support concerns, our dedicated help support team is always available to assist you. Support hotline is provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect.